Welcome back to Economics Learning. Today we'll discuss what causes an economic recession. Today we'll discuss what causes an economic recession. Certainly, economic recession are complex events often caused by a combination of factors. Here are detailed explanation of some of the key causes. First one is aggregate demand shocks. Decrease in consumer spending. Consumer spending typically accounts for the significant portion of economic activity. If consumers reduce their spending, it can lead to decrease in demand for goods and services, causing businesses to produce less and potentially leading to a layoff. Decline in business investment. Businesses may be postpone or cancel investments in the new equipment, facilities, or projects due to economic uncertainty or lower expected future demand. Reduction in government spending. Governments may be cut spending during period of economic downturn to reduce budget deficit, which can further decrease aggregate demand. A net export decline. If exports decrease significantly or imports increase, it can lead to a decline in net export, reducing overall demand in the economy. Second one is financial crisis. Banking crisis. Problems in banking sector such as bank failures or liquidity crisis can lead to contraction in credit. This reduces the ability of businesses and consumers to borrow, which in turn reduce spending and investment. Asset price bubbles bursting. When asset prices such as real estate or stock experience rapid increase followed by sudden decline, it can lead to a financial crisis. The bursting of these bubbles can cause significant wealth destruction and reduce consumer and investor confidence. Credit crunch. Banks may tighten lending standard or reduce the valuability of credit due to increased risk aversion or regulatory changes. This can constrain economic activity as businesses and consumers find it harder to access financing. Third one is external shocks. Global economic downturn, a slow down or recession in major trending partner economies can reduce the demand for a country exports, leading to decreased production and economic activity. Commodity price shocks. Sharp increase in commodity prices such as oil can increase production cost for businesses and reduce consumers' purchase power, leading to decreased spending. Geopolitical events, wars, conflicts, trade disputes, or political instability in key regions can disrupt trade and investment follows, leading to economic downturn. Fourth point is structural imbalances. Overinvestment or overbuilding. Period of excessive investment, particularly in specific sectors like real estate or technology, can lead to overcapacity. When demand fails to keep pace with supply, it can lead to a recession. Excessive debt levels. High levels of debt, whether by households, businesses, or governments, can create vulnerabilities in the economy. If debt becomes unsustainable, it can lead to a default, reduced spending, and recession. Labor market mismatches. Structural mismatches between available jobs and skills of the workforce can lead to unemployment or underemployment, reducing consumer spending or economic growth. Fifth point is policy errors. Monetary policy mistakes. Central banks may raise interest rates too quickly to combat inflation, which can choke off economic activity. Conversely, keeping interest rates too low for too long can lead to asset bubbles and financial instability. Fiscal policy missteps. Governments may pursue contractionary fiscal policies such as austerity measures or excessive tax increases during economic downturns, which can further reduce aggregate demand and prolonged recession, policy uncertainty, frequent changes in economic policies, or uncertainty about future government's actions can create instability and deter investment. 6.1 is decrease in consumer spending. Consumer spending is a significant driver of economic growth in most economies. When consumers cut back on their spending, it can lead to a reduction in demand for goods and services, causing businesses to produce less and potentially leading to layoffs. Several factors can contribute to a decrease in consumer spending. High debt levels of household debt can lead to a decreased spending as a consumer focus on repaying debt rather than making new purchases. Loss of confidence in economic uncertainty, jobs losses, or negative financial news can erode consumer confidence, leading people to save more and spend less. Income stagnation or decline. If income remains stagnant or decline, consumer may have less money to spend, leading to reduced consumption. 7.1 is decline in business investment. Business investment including spending on equipment, machinery and infrastructure is another key driver of economic growth. Or decrease in business investment can be caused by high interest rates. When interest rates are high, borrowing becomes more expensive, which can deter businesses from investing in new projects or expanding operations. Uncertain economic conditions such as changes in government policies, geopolitical tension, and or trade disputes can make businesses hesitate to invest. Overcapacity. If business have excess capacity, they may delay investment until demand increases. Last 8 point is natural disaster and pandemics. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, or pandemics like the COVID-19 outbreak and can disrupt economic activities. Supply chain disruptions. Natural disaster can damage infrastructure, disrupt supply chain, and reduce production capacity, leading to economic downturn, loss of confidence, fear of further disruption, or economic uncertainty caused by a pandemic can lead to reduced consumer spending and investment. Economic recession are often the result of the combination of these factors, and the severity and duration of the recession may vary depending on the specific circumstances and how policymakers respond to them. Thanks for watching.